4-bedroom, limited edition, exclusive residences is what we are showing you today in Vile Parle West area. We are just next to Bajaj Road. Now, why do we say these exclusive 4 BHK residences is because you have 1,000 square feet of living area as well as the deck area. The total Rera Carpet Area of this flat is around 2,300 square feet. The floor to ceiling height is around 9.7 feet. Plus, when you enter, you have one flat on each floor. Another beauty is that there are 2 exclusive lifts. The lifts are of very premium quality. Plus, you have a separate entry for the kitchen in case if you want to enter in the kitchen from the lobby itself. So there also you have this, and you have a dry area as well in the kitchen, so that tomorrow your house help wants to enter if you are going on a vacation. So your house help can easily enter the kitchen area. It's a butterfly layout type of a structure. 2 bedrooms are on the right, 2 bedrooms are on the left. Let's have a look at the bedrooms one by one. Starting with the right area, on this side, here you have the first bedroom followed by the washroom. Here also on this side you have one washroom and the bedroom attached to it as well. Coming on the opposite side, here you have another 2 bedrooms. As you all can see, yes, it's a huge layout structure, around 2,300 Rera Carpet Area. We are near Bajaj Road, Vile Parle West. Possession time is expected around December 2024 or Jan 2025 at the most. You have amenities such as rooftop garden. You have a separate exclusive garden as well. Plus, even the owners are planning to have their own gymnasium. It's a very beautiful, rare, exclusive project in the nearby vicinity. To know more, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakker from Jishnurealtorss. Thank you.